Students from all over the country gathered in Las Cruces, New Mexico to participate at the 35th Annual WERC Environmental Design Contest.
This year we had 30 teams from 13 different states and 13 different universities, and that was 162 students.
The event brings college students together to develop solutions for real-world issues. They then have their projects evaluated by expert judges in their respective fields.
My team is on task 3, which is micromediating mining-influenced water using fungus. So we developed a semi-passive 3-segment system with 3 different fungal strains. We're using Aspergillus niger, Aspergillus fumigatus, and Trichoderma virens with the intention of absorbing copper, zinc, and manganese. And our Aspergillus niger is in the form of fungal pellets. So we shook cultured fungi in flasks, and they formed little balls with fungus in them. And that's in our first segment. And then our second segment is plastic spindles that's used in water treatment trickling systems with fungal biofilm of the Trichoderma and the fumigatus. Our third segment is peat, which is to neutralize any acid that is a byproduct of our system.
Long ago, the Appalachian community was long known as like the primary coal-producing region in the United States for over 2 centuries. It long shaped the economy, the culture, and the environment within the region. But unfortunately, a lot of those businesses went out of just abandoned those mines. What was left behind are waterways that are contaminated with toxic heavy metals. And what we are trying to do is that there's a local creek in the Athens County area. We are trying to remove those metals out so that we can have cleaner water in our areas.
So our demo uses a column system. So we use mushrooms, and we're actually using the root part of the mushroom, which is called the mycelium. So we grow it and we mix it with straw, and then we pack it into these columns with PVC tubes in our bench scale. And then when we flow the mining influenced water containing all of the heavy metals through these columns, the roots of the mushrooms actually absorb the metals and help remove them, and then we can return the water back to the waterways with less toxic metals in them.
Not only is the event a good resume builder, but can help students make job connections with sponsors. Winners are selected for each category, and they receive cash prizes. This year, prizes total to over $20,000.
They have the awards in the project that they worked on, but then there's some other awards as well, like Freeport Macaron sponsors one, ETA sponsors one, New Mexico Space Grant Consortium sponsors one, and so they could win something beyond that. We also have our flash pitch competition.
I'm really excited about how we've been doing. We moved on to the final round of the flash pitch, which was really great. Obviously, we won't hear the results until Wednesday, but that was a great way to start the competition. And then yesterday with our oral presentation, the 4 of us felt really confident about our answers and just the way we presented ourselves to the judges. And even now with the bench scale, I think it's going really well because we're confident in our product and we're able to convey that to the judges.
The event is held at the New Mexico Farm and Ranch Museum over 4 days. During the 4 days, students take part in oral presentations, flash talks, and working bench scale experiments.
It is so exciting. You know, it's such an honor to be among these future engineers who are interested in preserving the environment and maintaining sustainability, and they're really smart.
It's been such a great experience to work with people I haven't worked with before and kind of go through a whole process of developing a research project, which we haven't done before. And it's honestly just been so rewarding to see our work have a final product to show our hard work. So being able to do this for the first time and be all together in a bonding experience, and even, no matter what the places say, I'm so proud of everyone and I've had a great time.
Yeah, it's really been a great experience to get involved with a lot of different universities and getting to network with them, but also show all the work that we've done over the past months about how we can impact our communities and really restore the environment through really creative solutions.
For more information on the WERC Environmental Design Contest, visit their website, werc.nmsu.edu.